Are you sick of monster electric bills every month? The Arizona heat forces us to blast the AC, and utilities slap us with on-peak rates when we're sweating the most. Here's the solution: home battery storage. Batteries charge up when energy's cheap, then power your home when rates spike. That switch alone can cut your bill by up to 80%. Even better, the savings cover the cost, no wallet damage, and 30% gets paid by federal tax credits. It's a win-win. Plus, batteries kick on automatically during a power outage, keeping your lights, fridge, and Wi-Fi running while your neighbors sit in the dark. No noisy generators, no scrambling for flashlights, just reliable backup power when you need it most. Curious how much you'll save with storage? Click below to learn more and get a free energy action plan from Fusion Power today.